Inkscape Cut Out Object. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Inkscape and create a new document to begin your project properly. Then import your image into the workspace and place the image on the canvas so it is clearly visible. Resize the image if needed to make tracing easier. Select the Bezier tool from the toolbar and start drawing around the object carefully. Follow the edges closely, clicking to create points along straight sections and dragging to form smooth curves where necessary. Continue outlining the object until the entire shape is traced, then close the path shape to complete the outline. Switch to the node tool to adjust nodes, refine the curves smoothly, and make the path fit the object perfectly. Select both the image and the path by holding Shift while clicking each one. Then go to the Object menu, click Clip, and select Set Clip to cut out the object from the image. Check the edges of the result carefully, and if the shape is not accurate, undo the action, refine the path again, and reapply the clip for a cleaner result. Once satisfied, add a background if needed. Then adjust the position and scale of the object to match your design. Add a shadow for realism to enhance depth and make the cutout look more natural. Finally, save the project as an SVG file to keep it editable, and export it as a PNG if needed for sharing or use in other applications. Make sure to review the final output carefully before exporting so that no unwanted edges or rough lines remain. Zoom in closely to inspect small details and ensure every curve looks smooth and natural. If you notice any imperfections, return to the node tool and fine-tune the handles and points until the outline is clean and precise. Maintaining accuracy during this stage will greatly improve the overall result and give your design a professional appearance. After confirming everything looks correct, proceed with exporting using the appropriate resolution settings depending on your needs. Higher resolution is recommended for print, while standard resolution works well for digital use.